scope, trends, and career opportunities. The workforce is evolving rapidly. New technologies reshape industries daily. What once took decades to transform now changes in months or even weeks as innovation accelerates across sectors. This presentation analyzes emerging trends and opportunities, will explore how market forces and tech innovations are transforming careers. Our goal is to provide actionable insights on navigating the changing employment landscape. Global economic shifts and digital transformation are creating entirely new career paths while making others obsolete. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for professionals at every career stage. We'll examine key industry sectors experiencing significant growth, the skills that will be most valuable in the coming decade, and strategies for positioning yourself advantageously in this evolving marketplace. By identifying patterns in technological adoption and workforce demands, we can better prepare for the future and capitalize on emerging opportunities before they become mainstream. Defining scope in careers and industries. Industry scope, the range of opportunities within specific sectors, constantly expanding with innovation. Key factors: technological advancement, globalization trends, and regulatory frameworks shape career landscapes. AI's impact. Artificial intelligence is transforming everything from healthcare to finance to education. Current global industry landscape. The global economy is experiencing unprecedented transformation across multiple sectors. Technological innovation, shifting consumer behaviors, and evolving regulatory frameworks are creating both challenges and opportunities for businesses worldwide. $1.20 T plus. Investment. Projected capital flowing into growth sectors be in 2024. 5. Top sectors. Fastest growing industries driving global economic expansion. 34%. Tech growth, increase hiring in emerging technology fields since 2022. 68%. Digital adoption, businesses implementing digital transformation strategies. These indicators reflect a business environment that increasingly rewards agility and innovation. Organizations that effectively navigate these changing conditions are positioned to capture significant market share and establish leadership in emerging industries. Market analysts predict continued acceleration in cross-industry convergence, with traditional sector boundaries becoming increasingly blurred. This trend creates unique partnership opportunities while simultaneously intensifying competition from unexpected sources. Megatrends shaping the future. Global shifts are fundamentally transforming how we work, live, and interact. These interconnected forces are creating both challenges and unprecedented opportunities across industries and regions. AI and automation. 85M jobs will shift by 2025. While sustainability. Green skills demand up 34%. LinkedIn. Remote work. 40% plus of US workforce now hybrid. The acceleration of AI and automation technologies is restructuring workforces globally, with millions of jobs being transformed rather than eliminated. Meanwhile, sustainability initiatives are driving demand for new specialized green skills across sectors, from energy to manufacturing to finance. The remote work revolution, catalyzed by the pandemic but sustained by productivity gains and employee preferences, has fundamentally changed workplace dynamics. Organizations that adapt to these megatrends will be positioned to thrive in the coming decade. Convergence of trends. These megatrends are increasingly interconnected, with technological advances enabling sustainable practices and remote work flexibility. Regional variations. While global in nature, these trends manifest differently across geographic regions, influenced by local policies and economic conditions. Technology trends driving change. Generative AI. ChatGPT and similar tools transform content creation and automation. Blockchain, revolutionizing finance, logistics, and digital identity security systems. Edge computing, powering IoT advancements in manufacturing and healthcare sectors. Societal and demographic forces. Major demographic shifts are transforming workforce dynamics globally, creating both challenges and opportunities. Aging workforce. 40% of EU workers over 50 by 2035, creating knowledge transfer challenges and opportunities for experienced talent mentorship programs. Japan facing 30% labor force decline by 2050. Healthcare and pension systems under pressure. DEI priorities. Diversity, equity, and inclusion reshape hiring practices across industries, with 76% of job seekers considering workplace diversity when evaluating offers. Companies with diverse leadership outperform peers by 36%. Gen Z demands transparent equity initiatives. Gig economy. 58M Americans freelancing today, representing 36% of the workforce and contributing $1 trillion, 0 cents, to the US economy annually. Platform based work growing 3x faster than traditional employment, regulatory frameworks evolving globally. Urbanization trends. 68% of global population will live in urban areas by 2050, reshaping talent concentrations and remote work possibilities. Rise of secondary cities as tech hubs. Infrastructure investments following talent migration. These demographic shifts require strategic workforce planning and policy adaptations from both organizations and governments. In-demand skills for the next decade. Critical thinking, problem solving, abilities that machines can't easily replicate. Data analysis, extracting insights from complex data sets to drive decisions. Cross-cultural communication, navigating global workplaces with empathy and clarity. Creating solutions through code across all industries. Emerging career pathways. AI/ML engineer. Average salary $150,000, 0 cents plus. Growth rate 25% annually. Renewable energy technician. Average salary $85,000. Growth rate 8% yearly, BLS. Cybersecurity analyst. Average salary $120,000, 0 cents. Growth rate 35% by 2028. Telehealth professional. Average salary $110,000, 0 cents. Growth rate 17% annually. Navigating career development. Lifelong learning. Pursue microcredentials and online degrees. Stay current with industry certification. Strategic networking. Build connections via LinkedIn and industry forums. Attend virtual and in-person events. Mentorship programs. Seek guidance from industry veterans. Learn from their experience and mistakes. Conclusion. Preparing for tomorrow's workforce. Embrace change. Stay curious and adaptable. View disruption as opportunity. Align strengths. Match personal talents with market demands. Find your unique edge. Continuous growth. Commit to lifelong skill development. The future rewards learners.